Okay, so this table is a little bit newer. It's gonna look a little bit different underneath here. But I have this set up similar to how your guys's is, where this nut has some space on those threads on the back, and that nut is a 5/8 inch nut. You can get a open end wrench like this, and you can put it on that nut and loosen it that way. If you don't have that specifically, you can use a crescent or even just a pair of pliers to get to that. But what you guys need to do is loosen this nut, back it all the way down till you can't back it off anymore. We want it as close to this part of the gas strut as possible. And then you'll come down here, you'll remove your pin, and if you lift on the front of the table, you can take the weight off of this pin. So if you give it a little lift, you can pop this pin out and drop the back half of that gas strut out. Then what you're going to do is take the gas strut and screw it further into this metal block here, or the gas strut control, until it stops and it won't twist anymore. The cylinder can still twist, but this shaft here won't twist anymore. So once you get it to that point, then you're going to put this back through the little groove that it goes in by lowering down the front half of the table. Take your pin, and you can kind of wiggle on the front end of the table again to get that to go back through that hole, and then reinstall the little pin here as well to keep that secure. But once you have it to that point, then the inside part of the gas strut, this little lever pushes on it clamps down and it pushes on the end little piece of the gas strut, and that's what allows it to move up and down. But so if you don't have it screwed in all the way, then it won't be able to compress that little part on the end of the gas strut, which I can actually show you. Looks like that on the end. This little nipple here is what gets pushed down with our little gas strut control block, and that is what allows this to move up and down. So if you don't have this screwed in all the way into that block, it's not able to push that pin far enough in to allow this to move. So once you guys get that adjusted to where it has that nut all the way down the shaft, where it's as far as close to that gas strut cylinder here, try it again and see if that works. If it doesn't, sometimes you can remove this washer as well, and it will push the gas strut further into that control block and make it fully depress that this little end piece even further, which can allow it to move as well. Some of them want more, some of them just require to be in there a little bit further without the washer, and some of them need the washer. So I would try it with the washer first, and let me know how it goes. Thank you.